Hello everyone, welcome. If your Lloyds Bank app is not working properly, crashes, or you're locked out, resetting it can help. Here's how to do this on Android and iPhone. Firstly guys, step number 1, clear app data. So on Android, we have these steps. Open Settings, Apps. Find Lloyds Bank and tap it. Select Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Data and Clear Cache. After that, restart the app and log in again. Also, step number 2, delete and reinstall. Uninstall the Lloyds Bank completely from your App Store or Google Play Store. Restart your phone, reinstall the app from App Store or Google Play, open the app and set it up again. So then we have reset login details. If you forgot your login details, tap forgot login details on the login screen and follow the prompts. After that, check for updates, go to the App Store or Google Play and ensure you have the latest version of the app. After resetting it, log in with your credentials and set up any security features again. If issues continue, contact Lloyds Bank support. Guys, if this helped, like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.